Hey, how's it going? Sketch Monster here. Today we're going to go over how to draw Luigi from Luigi's Mansion. He's going to have his vacuum and everything. I'm a huge fan of the new Mario movie, and I thought they should add more of this. So let's go through this step by step for beginners right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Luigi from Luigi's Mansion. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. Let's get started, all right? Very simple. So right off the bat, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw Luigi's nose. Right there, just like a circle, almost the whole thing. You can actually completely just fill in that circle as well. You could do that as well. Line right here for kind of the bottom of Luigi's eye. Curve right here for kind of that gravestone shape. Line over here for his other eye. There you go. Sweet. I'm gonna go over here and find the inner part of that eye, so like the pupil and iris. So right there, it's gonna be the pupil and iris. Line over here. Circle right here and circle right here. Right on. Curve right there for the mustache that Luigi has. And it's going to curve back toward the nose. Going to go right here, the far end. Curve down over here, up. Line right there. He's got like just like a mouth. He's just kind of like worried, like a worried mouth, kind of like straight curve, maybe curve underneath right here for under the lip. Alrighty, gonna go right here now, side of his head, over here on this side, curve in, pulling up. If you really want, you can kind of curve it on this side too. It's kind of up to you to kind of like how close you want to make it. Curve right here for the bottom of his hat. Right here, I'm gonna make this his ear. Over here on this side, curve, curve. Line over here. Again, kind of the hat area. So one thing that's really missing from him right now, by the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you're a huge Mario fan, Luigi fan, Nintendo fan. Hit that like. That like matters. It basically lets me know what to put more of on this channel, and it kind of lets me know that you're watching. Let's go over here now. Curve, curve. For his eyebrow, curve over here, same thing. And we're going to fill those in because those tend to be dark. All right, fill those in right there. Let's go over here on this side as well. We're going to fill in the mustache as well. Right there, just got to fill it in dark. Gives it character, I mean, because we're dealing in black and white right now. Sweet. Gonna go right here now, go to the front of the hat, back over here, curve, line over here. Right on. Gonna go down over here, and curve over here for kind of the other side. Over here this side, circle, L on the hat, and we got his face. We gotta put the back of his hair though, right on. And now let's go over here. He's gonna be kind of with his machine, so curve. Well, he's gonna have his arm back. Line right here, line up right there. He's got tube-like arms. Okay. And we're gonna put his hand on this side, so kind of a long, like almost like a hot dog shape right here, but curve, 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 line out over here for that vacuum that he has. Curve over here for his fingers wrapping around that area. Keep going. Keep going. Line over here. Out, out. Line over here. And we're gonna have the front of his vacuum, which is gonna be kind of like a square right there. You can draw like a smaller square right here to kind of fill it in, to kind of make it obvious. Cool. Curve over here. Line over here. Line up. Down. Circle. Line over here. Line over here. Curve. Cool, cool. And now you have the upper part of his body right there. Let's go over here to his legs. So out, down. He's kind of like maybe the lower portion of his body. Very simple. He's got maybe like a folded section right here at the bottom of his pants. We're going to draw a line down here. Straight. Curve underneath. And curve underneath for his shoe. One shoe on that side. Curve over here. Down. And pull back. Up here over here. Down over here. Curve back up. Kind of stepping in with that shoe, right? Let's go here. We're gonna find the vacuum, which is like a line right here, very simple. He's got kind of like a little bit of a wheel thing sticking out of the vacuum, so it's gonna be out the back. Curve over here on this side, and then right here we're gonna have the back portion right there. And then on the vacuum, we're gonna draw these thin lines right here, separating it. Like so. It's going to separate that vacuum right there. I'm sorry, the actual tube, to give it a little bit more direction. And that's pretty much it. That is Luigi from Luigi's Mansion. I hope you enjoyed that. Definitely say hi to me in the comments section. Don't forget to check out the cool stuff in the description. There's a lot of free stuff I have on there. I have a free how to draw cute ebook, like how to draw chibi. Gives you directions. It's literally just like a 6-page ebook that it's all visual. So once you look at it, you'll know it. And that's pretty much it. All right. Hopefully you have that helps you out. I hope you have a great time. Last thing is, don't forget to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, and if you actually hear my voice right now, say hi in the comments. It's really easy to meet, to basically say hi and say what's up and reach me. So definitely do that. And that's pretty much it. Actually, I'm drawing a little line right there just in case. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you very soon. Okay? Actually, right here, a little bit more right there. Just another line. Talk to you later.